Day 2 of Lori Vallow Daybell's trial in Arizona set to begin later on this morning. Looking back at yesterday, prosecutors arguing she conspired to kill her husband because of religion and money. Investigative reporter Ann Emerson shares the details.
Within minutes of opening statements, prosecutors talked about prophets and evil spirits, telling us just how bizarre this trial could get. Tears from the woman giving opening statements on her own behalf.
They're alleging that insurance money was my motive. Social Security was my motive. Spouses having insurance policies is not a crime. Collecting Social Security is not a crime. Self-defense is not a crime. A family tragedy is not a crime. It's a tragedy.
Prosecutors say Lori's brother Alex Cox shot and killed her husband. His insurance policy was worth $1 million.
Alex didn't call 911 until 47 minutes after Lori left. Charles Vallow lay dead on the floor of that house for 47 minutes before he called 911. During this 47 minutes, Alex began staging the scene and making mistakes.
Prosecutors say Lori was running errands with her kids right after the murder. Walgreens, Burger King, school. But they say she also had his wallet, his cell phone, and his car.
And on July 18th, 7 days after Lori and Alex killed Charles and Lori learned she is not getting $1 million life insurance policy, she sends a message to Chad Daybell. Quote, "So I talked to the insurance company. He changed it in March. So it was probably Ned before we got rid of him."
And that's where it starts to get dark and strange. According to prosecutors, Lori Daybell and her brother believed Charles was no longer Charles. He was now an evil spirit, playing into their doomsday belief that the end of the world was near. At times, it was a tough day for Daybell to be her own trial lawyer. The judge kept on calling her out on testifying and hearsay when she had a witness up on the stand. And also, we lost a juror today because of work issues. And the judge does not want to lose any more jurors. Reporting from Phoenix, I'm Ann Emerson, criminally obsessed.
Lori Vallow Daybell is already serving several life sentences here in Idaho for murdering two of her young kids, JJ Vallow and Tylee Ryan, and her now husband's then wife, Tammy Daybell. Her current husband, Chad Daybell, is on death row for these same murders.